don't you just flip that big coin for me, young lady? Don't hurt nobody. All right, we let you know you won the coin toss and you elected to defer, right?
Arlington Heights has won the toss and has
receive over here. Cash, shake hands, and bring your team back when you're ready.
Good game. Arlington Heights will defend the north end.
Great job.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please join us in a moment of silence.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, boys! Let's get it done today. Let's go! We'll have some fun. Let's go!
Hey, remember what I said. Look at the ball, see the way they set it, all right? See which way they turn it, sideways, upside, whatever, all right? And then expect anything, all right? Expect anything. They're very inconsistent. Let's go score right here. Put a body on a body. Here we go. Score on 3. 1, 2, 3. Score!
Let's go. Let's go. Pay attention.